Okay, very last slides. So congratulate you if you have learned all this stuff till now. We talked about the lost WH. We talked about why. We talked about what. We talked about how. And now when. The goal of DataVis, as we stated before, is to understand. It is the cornerstone of exploratory approach. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. And who has been the first person that defined EDA and promoted EDA seriously? It was John Tukey. You can have a look at his book 1977. It's a very seminal, important book. So the goal is to understand. It is part of the EDA toolbox, the exploratory approach, not the predictive approach. When you start working with a data set, you should start with a visualization. Okay. We will see that through visualization, you can analyze a data set very nicely. Any good visualization should raise new questions. Okay. That we said that, okay, how come that we don't have any diamond with high carat and low price? Or another question, we had one diamond very far from others, a very high carat, but comparing to the same category of price, very high carat and relatively high price. So how is it? Whether is it this diamond different than others actually, or maybe it's just a typo in measuring the carat of this diamond? How is it? So questions, new questions will show up. These questions are deeper than the questions that we might have before doing information visualization. For predictive analytics, we visualize pairs of target variables in each predictor. So for predictive analytics, we still use this EDA tool. And as you remember, one variable, it has a different role in predictive analytics. For instance, in our table, in our diamonds example, price is our target. We want to predict price. We want to make a model to predict the price of diamonds. So we have target, and then we have other variables that are called predictors. For instance, carat, clarity, table, X, Y, Z are predictors, and price is the target. So we normally tend to visualize price and carat, price and clarity, price and table, price and X, price and Y, and price and Z. And we put the target on the Y-axis. Target, price. We'll talk about it in practice, working with a data set. So at the end, to wrap it up, we talked about data visualization from a WH framework perspective. The topic is much deeper in theory and practice than what we have covered. But we cannot dedicate more than 1 week to information visualization in a very brief data mining module. One free book is available here. The other one, it's Fundamental of Data Visualization by Wilk. So you can search it, you will find it. This is another freely available book. Okay, I don't know why this slide is incomplete, but in general, if you search this term, you will find this book. If you are interested, you can go and read more and learn more about information visualization and data visualization. And then you should be able to, at the end, if you have learned everything properly, you should be able to answer the questions. What is data visualization? Why data visualization? How and when? I appreciate your efforts in learning data visualization if you are here and you have learned everything. Once again, repetition and practice, like actual practice, working with actual data sets, would establish and deepen this knowledge. And this is what we are going to do in our practical session. See you there.